Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to talk about a true developer's secret weapon, a command that can pull you out of a panic when you think you've lost your work. What happens when you accidentally delete a branch, or worse, perform a hard reset and lose your last 5 commits? That's when you need Git Reflog. Think of it as your personal Git time machine. It's not part of your project's history, but a local private log of every action you have taken. Reflog tracks every time your head or your branch tip has been updated, making it the ultimate undo button for almost any local mistake. Let's dive in and see how this safety net works. So, what exactly is Git Reflog? Now that's your local safety net. So at its core, Git Reflog is a reference log. This will record every single local change made to your repository's state, including commits, merges, rebases, resets, and even branch checkouts. Unlike Git log, which shows you the public commit history, Reflog shows you a chronological record of where your head has been. So, unlike your Git log, which shows you the commit history, Git Reflog will show you all the action that you have taken in your local repository. Now, this is a crucial distinction. Actions that rewrite or remove history, like your git rebase or git reset hyphen hard command, will make those commits disappear from your standard git log view. So when you do a rebase or when you do a hard reset, all those history is not captured in your git log. But but because reflog tracks every moment, these commits aren't actually gone from your repository's local database. They are just orphaned, and Git reflog keeps a pointer to them, allowing you to jump back in time and recover them. So reflog is your personal guardian angel. It's only on your local machine that you can work with and not shared with others. So it's not available in the GitHub repository. So you can make local mistakes with confidence that you can always go back. So let's walk through a common panic inducing scenario. So let's say you just performed a hard reset and you have accidentally wiped out your last few commits. So let's simulate losing your work. So let's use this collaboration project, and right now I'm in this feature stash demo branch. Let's switch to our main branch, and let's quickly do a pull so that if there are any changes, those changes will be downloaded to my local machine. So it's already up to date. Now from here we will create a new branch. So let's say git switch -c, and this is a feature, and let's say this will be a reflog demo, right? So we should be in our new branch. Now let's make some commits in this branch. So maybe let's say we'll go to the index, and let's say this is a demo for reflog. I'll save this. I will add this. I will commit this. So let's say feature reflog demo. Now let's say we'll make some changes to this file. This is another change for reflog demo, and let me add this. I will commit this. So git commit, and let's say feature update touch.html, and let's say we'll make one more commit. So let's say we'll go to the contact, and let's say please contact us to get into the market. Just some dummy things. I'll save this. I will add this, and I will commit this. So let's say feature, let's say update contact.html. There's a typo, sorry about that. Let me quickly change this. All right, so now if you look at the git log, so let's say one line. So I should have 3 commits. That's 1, 2, and then 3. Now let's pretend we had a mistake and we wanted to go back in time, but then we accidentally went too far. So let's say we ran this command git reset hyphen hyphen hard, and let's say head tilde 3. So maybe I just wanted to go one commit back, but then accidentally I'm going, I'm going way too far. So I will run this, and you can see changes from the main one. So now my head is pointing to this commit, which is this particular change. So now let's run this git log one line, and you can see my head has changed. Okay, so whatever the three changes I had done is gone. It's like deleted, and this creates a panic. So let's see how we can use the reflog command to find our lost commits. So just so you understand, the reset that we did, the commits aren't gone forever. They're just detached. So we can ask Git where our head has been. So for that, we can run this git reflog command, and you should be able to see the history over here. So at this point, so you can see here, um, uh, reset. I did a reset, so moving head to 3. So basically 3 commits back. So these are the 3 commits which are gone, right? So the ref log output shows our last 3 commits. Okay. Now this crucial line here, if you see this one, head at 1, which points to the state right before we performed the hard reset. All right. So here, so 1, 2, and 3. So basically these 3 commits is where we did the hard reset. Now let's look at how we can recover the lost commits. Now that we have found our good state, we can simply jump back to it. So we have two options. We can either use the head reference, which is this one. This is called as your head reference. So this is another head reference. This is another head reference. The other option we have is using the commit hash. So this is what we call it as your commit hash. The choice is yours. So if you are using the head reference, the command would be git reset hyphen hyphen head and your head reference. All right. And if you're using the hash, it would be git reset hyphen hyphen hard and then the hash value. The choice is yours. So after you run this command, so let's say we're going with the hash, I should git reset hyphen hyphen, sorry, this should be hard, sorry about that, and I should get my commit back. Crisis has been averted. So now if you look at the git log, I should have my commit. So whatever the commits that I accidentally deleted, it's back. So that's the power of your ref log command. So even if you accidentally delete any commits, you can always get it back by using this ref log command. But please remember, this is only local. Whatever you're doing locally, you can get it back. Anything that you have on the central repository, you can't get it back. Now let's talk about some more practical use cases. So the first we have is recovering a deleted branch. So what if you accidentally deleted a feature branch with using the git branch -d command? So like for example, so let's say we will switch to the main branch. So I'm in the main branch, and let's say we accidentally deleted this branch or any of the branch, it's totally your choice. So let's say git branch -d and then the branch name. So the branch is gone. All right. Now, how do you recover this? So this is where you can use the git reflog command to find the last commit that was associated with this particular branch, whatever the branch that was deleted. For example, let's say when I run this git reflog command, so here you can see all the changes. So here, this is where we have the commit, right? So you can see the let's see, yeah, so here these are the 3 changes we have. All right. So You can find the last hash value and you can use that to restore your branch. So in our case, what we will do is we will take this hash and we will do a git checkout and the hash value. So you can see head is now at this hash value, and then from here we can create our new branch. So whatever the branch that was accidentally deleted, we can get it back. So git switch -c and then the branch, and now we have successfully restored our deleted branch. So we are in the new branch, and looking at the log, I should have all the changes as well. So that's the power of your reflog command. So even if you accidentally delete your branch, you can always restore your branch by using the reflog, because reflog will maintain a history of all the actions that you are taking. Another use case you have is undoing a bad rebase. So rebasing can go wrong. And if you get stuck in a complex conflict resolution or make a mess, you can use reflog to go back to the state before you even started the rebase. So let's say here I'll run the git reflog command, and let's say for example here if you see the rebase that we have done here, let's say you want to go to this state. So you can find the value, the head value, that says your rebase, and perform a hard reset to this state before that entry. All right, so here basically, and this will return your branch to its exact state before the rebase command was ever run. All right. So Git Reflog is the ultimate undo button. It's a lifesaver for every developer because it tracks every local change, giving you the power to jump back in time and recover from almost any local mistake. Now remember these key takeaways. Reflog is a local only log, so don't worry about impacting your team. It tracks all local actions including reset, rebase and more. You can use it to recover lost commits, deleted branches, and fix bad merges or rebases. Now you can experiment with more advanced Git commands with confidence that you have a powerful safety net. This is a crucial skill for every developer, from a coding novice to a seasoned engineer. If this video helped you discover Git Reflog, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments how Reflog has saved you from a sticky situation. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.